Well, there are two or three good reasons for coming to Nuremberg. First of all, I think it's a great opportunity to educate myself. I get to interact with the people who have developed the new features.
คิดว่าที่ผ่านมาทั้ง2วันเนี่ยครับผมได้ข้อมูลเยอะแยะมากมายที่จะนำไปเผยแพร่ให้กับลูกค้าของผมในเมืองไทย
For me, as operational service manager and as user of site in Global Rumor, we share experiences with people at the user group, and it's a great opportunity.
I'm truly delighted that this year's conference is such a global conference. We have participants from all around the world joining this conference here in Nuremberg.
Hey, what's service quality testing? Not taking the aspect of mobility into account. So the answer to that is drive service testing, and we called it drive service testing as it's fully bound into our current site solution. There are three aspects which are new for the drive service testing solutions. So one are new local units, mobile local units. Second one are test cases specific for the drive service test. And the third component of the drive service testing concept is that new view I've already presented, the geographic information system.
I want to give you in the next few minutes a short overview how T-Mobile use Cygo system.
Did this system implementation help to reduce the number of customer complaints coming because of some technical reasons?
Yes, of course. Because we are faster aware about an incident and how faster we solve this incident or these problems in the system, how fast the customer has no time to call our first line organization or customer care organization.
Nous avons ce système qui est notre Cygos, ça fait plus de 3 ans, ça fait 4 ans maintenant. C'est un outil très important. Il permet l'automatisation des tests. Il y a un gain de temps très important.
Well, presently, as the tariff structure is placed at Mobitel, we have a lot of problems with SIM boxes. So the main focus was to come and check out your latest addition, which is the SIM box detection system.
Subscriber satisfaction is extremely important for us. Therefore, I was in favor of measuring the subscriber feelings. That the Cygo system itself helps a lot to measure these feelings because that behaves as a customer.
Adaption layer, and on top we have the SCCP and run-up, and in case of IUPS here in this picture, the GPRS mobility management layer.
This user conference in Nuremberg especially, it's the 4th one, and it becomes a traditional user conference. You know, well, in Nuremberg is everything traditional, but user conference, it got another tradition right now.
Alla weil ein wenig lustig, alla weil ein wenig lustig, alla weil ein wenig Geld im Sack, alla weil ein wenig...
Of course, it's a good time to just to communicate with people who became already my friends.
Je früher wir von neuen Trends hören, von neuen technischen Möglichkeiten unserer Lieferanten oder auch von anderen Operatoren, die an solchen Konferenzen teilnehmen, deren Ideen aufgreifen können, ja, desto schneller sind wir wieder ganz vorne, können unseren Kunden noch eine bessere Qualität anbieten.
LTE is parallel. You have a choice to go with LTE in parallel, but it's not a must. So to continue with all these GRAN and UTRAN testing makes sense. And it will not die in the next 10 years. So, but in parallel, and as you know, a customer normally is spending money not for any old things. He's spending money for the new things. Just a recommendation.
Going a long, long way. In time, the markets may crumble, Gibraltar may tumble. They're only in a place. Our love is here too. Our love is here too.
We are the leader today in test and measurement for the mobile world and for the internet world. We wish to be the leader continuously for the next 10 years, at least, in both those worlds, even as they merge together.